Imagine a world where robots don't just walk or roll, but take to the skies like something out of a sci-fi epic. That world is no longer fiction. It's real, and it's happening right now in Italy. Meet Iron Cub 3, the world's first jet-powered flying humanoid robot developed by the brilliant minds at the Italian Institute of Technology. Ion Cub 3 is a groundbreaking fusion of human-like robotics and aerial propulsion. In a historic test flight conducted in June 2025, this machine lifted off the ground and hovered steadily in mid-air using four roaring jet engines. This isn't your average drone or walking bot, it's a full-fledged humanoid built to fly, react and stabilize itself using advanced AI, jet turbines, and real-time aerodynamic control. So what makes Iron Cub 3 so revolutionary, and why does it matter? First of all, this robot is unlike anything the world has seen before. It stands tall like a human, with arms and legs that move freely, yet tucked into its limbs and backpack are jet engines powerful enough to lift its 70-kilogram frame clean off the ground. These turbines generate over 1000 newtons of thrust and shoot out exhaust at a scorching 800 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt traditional materials, which is why the engineers had to design a custom titanium spine and wrap the robot in heat-resistant armor. But flying isn't just about power, it's about precision, and that's where Iron Cub 3 truly shines. The challenge was massive. Humanoid bodies aren't built to fly. They're asymmetrical, dynamic, with shifting limbs and a constantly moving center of mass. Unlike drones, they're inherently unstable in the air. To overcome this, the team turned to artificial intelligence. They built flight control models that used neural networks trained on both simulations and real-world wind tunnel tests. With help from Stanford University and the Polytechnic of Milan, they created an AI system that lets the robot react instantly to turbulence, adjust its posture mid-flight, and maintain balance in unpredictable airflows. The development process was no less impressive. Engineers used a co-design method, optimizing the robot's body and engine configuration at the same time. Every curve, every sensor, every line of code was tested and refined to perfection, from thrust sensors and takeoff planners to custom thermal protection. Iron Cub 3 is the result of 2 years of relentless innovation and experimentation. Picture a robot that can walk into a disaster zone, then fly out with critical supplies, or one that can navigate burning buildings, collapsed tunnels, or toxic environments where human life would be at risk. With Iron Cub 3, we're looking at the next generation of multimodal robots, machines that can both manipulate their environment and overcome terrain by air. Strategically, this places Italy and the European Union at the forefront of humanoid robotics, competing with global giants like Boston Dynamics and Tokyo Robotics. But more importantly, it signals the rise of a new era, one where the boundaries between land, air, and intelligence blur into a seamless robotic form. This is more than a machine. It's a statement, a signal that the future of robotics isn't just about copying human movement, but about going beyond it, into places humans can't reach, and achieving feats we never thought possible. If you found this as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into revolutionary tech like this, and let us know in the comments, where do you see flying humanoid robots making the biggest impact?